you stupid lawnmower. Honey, I'm buying 15 tons of rock. I hope you don't mind. Oh, who's the man? Herb, is that you? You look like roadkill these days. You taking a shower lately? Hey, you and Joanne getting along? Hey, you got something in your teeth there, buddy. Ah! Herb, what are you doing? You're invading my personal space. You're popping the bubble. You're poking the tiger. You're jacking the train. You're stealing my air. Herb! Herb, I don't like you anymore. You can't borrow my shit ever again. This calls for drastic measures. You're really not stopping, are you? Ah! What in the Sam hell is going on? Saving our butts. I know I don't say this much, kids, but let's go to Walmart.